of the study is Sinapis alba in status epilepticus, a preclinical study which got published in Journal of Natural Remedies. Epilepsy is a common neurological condition. However, currently we do not have drugs which can completely stop the process of epileptogenesis. Sinapis alba, commonly known as yellow mustard, is a spice used worldwide. We do have certain studies showing an anti-epileptic effect of black mustard for GTCS. However, we do not have any evidence on the effectiveness of Sinapis alba in epilepsy. Chemoconvulsant like pilocarpine primed with lithium is an extensively used status epilepticus model, and hence we have used this model to assess the usefulness of Sinapis alba seed oil in status epilepticus. This study was conducted in accordance with the CCSCA guidelines after obtaining clearance from the Institutional Animal Ethics Committee. We used 40 albinovista rats grouped into 5 with 8 rats in each group. First group was a normal control, second was a disease control, third was test where yellow mustard oil was administered, fourth sodium valproate was given, and fifth yellow mustard oil with half the dose of sodium valproate was administered. The drugs were dosed for 14 days. Pilocarpine was administered on the 14th day to induce status epilepticus, and the delay in onset of stage 4 was noted. Seizures were assessed based on the Racine scale. Post-seizure behavioral battery was carried out and scoring was done. Antioxidant markers and BDNF levels were measured using brain samples, and pathological changes were determined using cressyl violet staining. The results of this study were as follows. Yellow mustard oil helped in the prevention of the deleterious effect of status epilepticus by decreasing the mortality rate and mean latency to onset of stage 4 and status epilepticus. Combination of yellow mustard oil with half a dose of sodium valproate had an additive effect in treating status epilepticus. The intensity and frequency of seizures were decreased. The latency for onset of seizures was increased with the combination. Also, when the oxidative markers were studied, Sinapis alba oil, sodium valproate and the combination were all able to lower the levels of nitrite and MDA and increase the antioxidant levels. The cressyl violet stain sections showed that the combination of sodium valproate and the Sinapis alba oil increased the neuronal survival to some extent. Hence, we can conclude that Sinapis alba oil did not prevent rats from developing status epilepticus but only reduced its intensity and frequency. It showed an increase in antioxidant levels and decrease in the lipid peroxide levels. The combination of Sinapis alba and sodium valproate did have a synergistic effect in this particular model that we studied. Thank you.